So $5 times 1,398 equals is how much money they've already made, and they got 4 orders in queue. What's up, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike'sMoneyTips.com coming at you today. Coming at you with a quick video, show you how to make $5 over and over again. It's a real simple process. I kind of showed y'all something like this the other day that personally I didn't like the way it looked. This one I played with a little bit more. It works a little better. Granted, you're not going to be able to crush it with this, but y'all could always take the money that you make from this and turn it into full-time passive income thing, which I'll show you at the end of this. It is what it is, and I think what I'm going to show y'all is probably the best thing on the market right now going. So I guess without further ado, let's go on over and I'll show y'all how to make this $5 over and over. I figure you can probably make a couple $100 at least a month doing this. Of course, no guarantees, because I don't know how hard you're going to work or how hard you're not going to work. So, it is what it is. But let's go. First site we're going to go to is Fiverr. I know it's Fiverr. Everybody talks about Fiverr. You can do this on Fiverr. You can do it on people per hour. You can do it on Freelancer. There's a lot of other sites that you can do. This is just a really easy, beginner-friendly method to show y'all how to start. So let's go up here and type in background removal, and let me show y'all what they're doing here. As you see, like this right here, this is what you're doing. You're taking the background out, making it a white background so they can Photoshop it or whatever else you're going to do with. As you see, this person's got over 1,000 people that's ordered it with $5 per person. So let's pull up the calculator. Well, actually, before we pull up the calculator, let me do something else. I didn't think about it. Let's go in. Alright, you. Get rid of this. Now, granted, it's 15 images for $5. Which, 15 images, what I'm going to show y'all, will not take a long time. The whole reason why I pulled the actual thing up, so you can see there is multiple levels to how much money you can make with this. And this way we can actually see how many they've done. Okay, they've done, say, 1,400 at $5. The standard package is 45 images for $20. Or you can do 180 images for easy images. You notice this, it says easy. This one right here wouldn't be exactly the easiest one to do for $55. So, say they're doing, on average, the standard, right? Because it was 20 images, right? Well, if I go back over there, 45 for $20. Well, let's do it at $5, because that's what I said it was going to be. So $5 times 1,398 equals is how much money they've already made, and they got 4 orders in queue. So that shows you that there's money to be made to do this. So with that being said, I showed y'all that these jobs are on Fiverr. They're doing all these little odd jobs with images that they've done. Go back over here and Show you to see that one starting in 5.5. Most of these are starting in 5, which I'm sure they have upsells on the inside like the one I showed you. So, with that being said, let me show you this website which you can go to and do this. It's clippingmagic.com, and it's super simple. It really is. Now you have to pay to download them if you do this, but that's okay. I'll get into the pricing here in a few minutes. As you see, this is the way this works. Let's do this one right here. I think I can just pull this back up. Yeah, maybe not. Hold on. Ah, that ain't what I wanted. Okay. Upload image. Here we go. Yeah, y'all see all my thumbnails. Oh well. I'm not worried about it. I mean, if y'all want to steal the thumbnail, I think y'all can do that easier than taking it from here. Here it is. Okay. As you see, it's loading. And I'll show y'all what you do. You use this little. Now, me personally, you can go in here and change the pixel size of your thing. I like this better. That way I can control it a little better. It's smaller. All you do is draw the green line on what you want to keep. Like I'm trying to keep the Jeep here. And you can do better. I did earlier. I'm not exactly doing great this time. But that's okay. I'm just showing y'all the process. What you do here, of course you go in and do it a little better. And the better you do it, the quicker it gets. As y'all see on the other side over there where my cursor is, as you see the background is coming out of it. And it's really that simple. I mean, seriously, fellas, it's super simple to do. And yes, I got it. I'll show you all that in a minute. Basically what it is telling me that you can go back in and erase stuff. Like, you see over here, it's not exactly the best in the world. Which of course you can come over and do better. Don't get me wrong, you can. Well, as you see, I'm doing it better than I did a while ago. So, y'all get the gist though. If you take your time and come back in, you can do better. And, even you come down here. Oh, I didn't want to. Alright, you. Come here. Move over. Come on. I mean, I hadn't done a whole lot with this because I just hadn't. Daggone it. Here we go. Background. That's what button I was looking for. Say you want to change the background over here. See what I'm saying? You can do that. Make it black or whatever color you want, probably. If you know different color codes and stuff, you could do whatever. See, and then if you wanted to come back in and take more of it out, you can. I took too much. Now see, this is what they was talking about, the eraser part. See, watch. Okay, I don't know why that's not coming out back, but anyway, y'all can see what you got to do here. You can also come up here and undo everything that you did. It's relatively easy. With some time you can get it right and do it right. And, I showed y'all can make extra money doing this. So, let me show you what else y'all can do with this. This is $7 one-time payment. It's less than $10. If you sold 2 of them things, you could do this. But let me show you the pricing on how to pay for all this. I forgot to do that, didn't I? Oops, sorry. Let's go back and do that right quick. So, what you do, come back over here to pricing. And you've got 3 different packages. 15 credits is $3.99. So if you've done the 15 images that we showed in the beginning for $5, you made your money back. Me personally, if I was doing it, I'd do the pro, but the standard is 100 credits per month because each picture is a credit, okay? So, and it's $8 a month. But the pro, you get 500 credits for $15 a month, and you can get more than that. I just saw that, so I really don't know how much more it would go up, but it can't be a whole lot. But think about it, that'd be $100. That'd be $500. No, it wouldn't. Let's pull the calculator back out. 500 credits, right? That dude was charging $5 per 15 credits. So, let's take that 500 and divide it by 15. See how many times you can do that and how much money you can make. Right? So you get 500 divided by 15 equals 33 1/3, right? Times 5. Still $166 for a $15 a month thing. So, you can still make good money doing this. But, let me go back to what I was talking about that's less than $10, which is only $7. One-time fee is not $7 a month or nothing else. Now, there is back-end sales on this. Don't get me wrong, but you get all the information you truly need to start your own digital business or affiliate marketing or whatever, life coach. And there's another one too, and I can't remember what it is right off the top of my head. Within the 15 days, you get all the knowledge that you truly need to truly start your own business. Whether you're a dead-out beginner, don't know what you're doing, or whether you've been doing it for a while, they can work with you. That's the reason why you take this little quiz right here that will assess where you're at and figure out where they need to go with you. You get a one-on-one business plan coach with you, and you also get Monday through Friday wake-up calls at 10 o'clock Eastern time. It's like I said, and you get all this for $7, and it's roughly 10 to 15 hours worth of knowledge that you're getting here. So, it really is a beautiful thing for very little money. But, guys, if y'all found anything useful, if you found this informative, or whether you got value out of it or whatever, do me a favor, like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. So, remember I put out videos 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. Till the next one. Later.